students, myself Komal. So in the previous video we have learnt about multiplication of two matrices and solve one example related to that particular. So in this video we are going to continue our example number 10, in which we are having find if x is equals to 1 minus 4 minus 2 2 3 5 and b is equals to 2 4 2 3 5 1, then we have to find AB and BA and show that AB is not equals to BA. So let's just first of all find A into B. So let's just write AB is equals to 1 minus 4 minus 2 2 3 and 5 multiply with B, that is 2 4 2 3 5 and 1. Okay, so let's just start multiplication. So कैसे करेंगे? फर्स्ट रो फर्स्ट कॉलम. So 1 into 2 plus minus 2 into 4 plus 3 into 2. Now first row second column, that is 1 into 3 plus minus 2 into 5 plus 3 into 1. And second row, that is minus 4 into 2 plus 2 into 4 plus 5 into 2. Now the second row and second column, 4 into 3 plus 2 into 5 plus 5 into 1. Okay, now let's just find out the values. 2 ones are 2, minus 8 plus 6 minus 8 plus 8 plus 10, 3 minus 10 plus 3 minus 12 plus 10 plus 5. Okay, so now let's just find the values. That is 2 minus 8 plus 6. So 6 plus 2 8, 8 minus 8, that is 0. So ये वैल्यू हो जाएगी हमारे पास 0. Now the next is 3 plus 3 6. 6 minus 10, that is minus 4. Minus 8 plus 8 get cancel, तो यहाँ पे आ जाएगा 10. And minus 12 plus 10. So this is minus 2 plus 5. Minus 2 plus 5, the value will be 3. So A into B आया है हमारे पास 0, minus 4, 10 and 3. Now we have to find the value of B into A. So let's just find B into A. B into A. So पहले ए बी का वैल्यू जो आया है वो हम लिख देते हैं यहाँ पे. That is 0, 10, minus 4 and 3. So now let's just find the value of B into A, in which we are having B. B क्या है हमारे पास? B है 2 4 2 3 5 1 and into A is equals to what? 1 minus 2 1 minus 2 3 minus 4 2 and 5. ओके, सो ये वैल्यू हो जाएगी. नाउ लेट जस्ट स्टार्ट द मल्टीप्लिकेशन. सो क्या करेंगे? फर्स्ट रो फर्स्ट कॉलम. सो दिस इज 2 1s are 2 minus 12. डायरेक्टली हम कर सकते हैं ना, अभी फर्स्ट एलिमेंट एंड सेकेंड एलिमेंट वी कैन मल्टीप्लाई. नाउ 2 2s are 4, that is minus 4, 3 2s are 6 plus 6. 2 3s are 6 plus 15. Okay, next is 4 into 1. 4 into 1 minus 20. 4 2s are 8 minus 8 plus 10 and 12 plus 25. And the last 2 ones are 2 minus 4. 2 2s are minus 4 plus 2. 3 2s are 6 plus 5. Okay, now solve the matrices. That is 2 minus 12 minus 10 minus 4 plus 6 2, 15 plus 6 21, दिस इज़ -16, दिस इज़ 2, 12 + 25 कितना हो जाएगा 37, दिस इज़ -2 एंड दिस विल बी द 11. सो यहाँ पे देखो ए बी आया था हमारा 2x2 मैट्रिसेस और ये आया है हमारा 3x3 मैट्रिसेस. सो इट इज़ बट ऑब्वियस दैट ए बी इज़ not equals to BA. Okay, AB is not equals to BA. This is not follow for the matrices only. Simple multiplication में AB is equals to BA होता है, but for the matrices this is not possible. Okay, now move on to next, which is example number 14, in which we have to find again AB and we have to show that AB is not equals to BA. Okay, so let's just start. If A is equals to 1 0 0 -1 and B is equals to 0 1 1 0, then AB. So let's just find the AB. AB is equals to क्या हो जाएगा, देखो 1 into 0, 0 into 1 that is 0, 1 into 1, next 0 into 0 0, -1 into 1, -1 into 1 that is -1, -1 into 1 0. तो ये हो जाएगा हमारा AB एंड BA विल बी अगेन BA क्या हो जाएगा विच इज़ डिफरेंट देन AB. सो वी कैन से दैट therefore AB is not equals to BA. AB is not equals to BA. So now move on to next, which is properties of multiplication of matrices, in which we are having the associative law, the distributive law and the existence of multiplicative identity. Okay, so let's just talk about the associative law. For any three matrices A, B and C, the associative law will follow that AB bracket C is equals to A into BC. Okay, for any three matrices A, B and C, we have AB bracket close C is equals to A into bracket BC whenever both sides of the equality are defined. Okay, now the second will be the distributive law. For again for three matrices A, B and C, we are having first that is A into B plus C is equals to AB plus AC, and second A plus B into C is equals to AC plus BC whenever both the equalities are defined. Okay, and the next one will be the existence of multiplicative identity, for which for every square matrix A, the identity there exists an identity matrix of same order such that I into A is equals to A into I is equals to A itself. Okay, now move on to solve some of the examples related to this particular. So let's just start it with example number 16, in which we have to find, here we are having A, B and C, and we have to check A into BC and AB into C and show that AB into C is equals to ABC. Okay, so let's just start it. First of all we have to multiply B into C. Okay, so B into C क्या हो जाएगा, देखो 1 0, -1, 3, 2, 4 into C. 1, 2, 2, 0, 3, -2, -4 and 1. Okay, so this is the BC. Now let's just find the multiplication of B into C. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट इट. यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा, देखो 1 into 1 3, 1 1 ज़ा 1 प्लस 3 2 ज़ा 6, 1 into 2 2 प्लस 0, 1 into 3 3 minus 6 minus 4 plus 3, 0 into 1 by 0 into 1 that is 0, 2 into 2 4, 0 into 2 0 plus 0, 0 minus 4, 0 plus 2. Okay, and the last will be -1 plus 8, -2 plus 0, -3 minus 8 and 4 plus 4. Okay, so let's just write the value of this particular, which is 6 plus 1 that is 7, 2 minus 3 and -1, 4 0 minus 4 2, 7 minus 2 minus 11 and 8. So ये हो गया हमारा B into C. Okay, now let's just multiply this with A. Okay, so let's just write on the back side. So A into B into C हो जाएगा. So let's just write the values of A into B into C. So A है हमारा A into bracket B into C. So A है हमारे पास 1 2 3 1 0 1 -1 3 and 2 and BC हमारा आया था 7 4 7 2 0 -2 -3 -4 -11 -1 2 and 8. ओके, सो ये हो गई हमारी वैल्यू. नाउ लेट्स जस्ट स्टार्ट मल्टीप्लिकेशन, दैट इज 7 plus 4 minus 7, 2 plus 0 plus 2, minus 3 minus 4 plus 11, minus 1 plus 2 minus 8. Now the next will be 14 plus 0 minus plus 21, 4 plus 0 minus 6, minus 6 plus 0 minus 33, minus 2 plus 0 plus 24. कैसे आ रहा है पता चल रहा है ना. 3 plus 7, 3 into 7 that is 21, 1 into 4 that is minus 4 and this is यहाँ पे ये minus है and this will be plus 14 again. So this is 6 plus 0 minus 4, minus 9 plus 4 minus 22, minus 3 minus 2 plus 16. Okay, so ये हो गया हमारा A into B into C. Now let's just prove 7 plus minus 7 4, this is minus 7 plus 11 4, this is minus 9 plus 2 minus 7. Okay, 14 plus 21, 14 plus 21 will be 35, 4 minus 6 minus 2 minus 39 and 22. This is 31, 2 minus 27 and 11. Okay, so this is the value of A into B into C and next we have to find AB into C. So ये चीज़ आप एज अ होमवर्क आप फाइंड करोगे एंड टेल मी दैट A into B into C is equals to AB into C और नॉट. ओके, उसमें भी हम सबसे पहले क्या करेंगे, वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई A विद B एंड AB का जो आंसर आएगा उसको हम किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, C के सारे एलिमेंट के साथ. सेम दिस वे. ओके, सेम दिस वे एंड वी आर हैविंग इफ द वैल्यूज ऑफ A into B into C is same as this particular, that is 4 4 4 minus 7, 35 minus 2 minus 39 22, 31 2 minus 27 and 11, then we can say that A bracket B into C is equals to bracket of A B into C. Okay, till then, thank you.